Best Amazon FBA product research tools in 2021. Hi guys, today I'm telling you about different Amazon FBA product research tools that you can avail in 2021. So let's get started. The first tool I have for you is called Amz Scout. Amz Scout is one of the very famous research tools out there for Amazon. It helps you find profitable low competition products sourced from local and international supplier database and helps you discover popular and undiscovered product keywords. So you can actually do keyword research, product research, and database analysis, and all of these different things on Amz Scout. Let's go to the pricing of Amz Scout and find out whether it's affordable or not. So you can see right here, if we pay yearly, then the Pro extension is $16.49, and then Amazon Sellers Bundle is $29 per month. So it's not that expensive if we talk about Amz Scout, and the feature Amz Scout actually offers, I think the pricing is very reasonable, and you can actually go ahead and buy it from your debit card or PayPal very easily. That's a good thing about Amz Scout, that it actually gives you all of these different features in low pricing, and it's very easy to use as well. So when it comes to different features, what happens is you can actually find profitable products to sell on Amazon. Find the best product opportunities by using 550 million product database. So Amazon Amz Scout actually has this huge database from where you will be actually getting all of this information and your results. You can actually identify niches and products with the highest profit potential and evaluate competition using the legendary Pro extension. Of course, if you will buy extensions and if you will buy plans, your features will definitely increase. So the keyword research is super easy. You actually get all of these recommendations, and it is a very good keyword research tool as well. So Amz Scout is amazing. And if we talk about the tools it offers, there is Amazon keyword research, product database, stock stats Chrome extension, reverse ASIN lookup, quick view Chrome extension. So Amz also have a Chrome extension, so that's pretty amazing for Amz Scout. So yeah, if you are looking for a FBA Amazon keyword research tool, then Amz Scout is definitely a very good option. Next, we have Helium 10. Helium 10 is one of the very famous research tool out there, and you might have heard about Helium 10. And when we talk about the keyword research tools for Amazon, then Helium 10 is out there. Everybody knows about it, and it offers a lot of cool features, very easy to use, beginners friendly as well. Let's check out the pricing for Helium 10 and figure out whether it is cheaper or expensive for us. So this is the pricing for Helium 10. The starter is $37 per month. Platinum is $97 per month. Diamond is $197. And then there is an enterprise where you can actually, customize your plan. So if we talk about Helium 10, it's a little expensive than Amz Scout that we just talked about. Yeah, Helium 10 is a little expensive, but it offers a lot of features, and I think it's also reasonable when you're getting so much in this pricing. And as the pricing plan increase, you can see right here the features also increase, so that's pretty amazing. In the cheapest plan, that is $37 per month, you're gonna get full access to X-Ray, one of our most popular tools, limited access to the rest of the Helium tools, and freedom to Amazon training. So you actually get a freedom ticket to Amazon training on 37, but if you will buy the 197 plan, it actually looks pretty good and you can do a lot with that. So if we go to tools in Helium 10, you can see product research, and when it comes to product research, there is a Chrome extension, black box, trend duster, profitability calculator, that's pretty amazing, keyword research, February magnet, misspellinator, and then when it comes to listing optimization, you're getting Frankenstein scribbles, index checker, listing analyzer, audience. When it comes to operation, inventory management, refund genie, alerts, inventory protectors, follow-ups, mobile apps, seller assistance. When it comes to analytics, profit, market tracker, keyword tracker. Now I'm saying a lot of words right now, but I'm just showing you that when you do product research, you actually get all of these very amazing tools on Helium 10, and Helium 10 is is actually pretty famous when it comes to Amazon researching. And when we talk about keyword research on Amazon, then Helium is pretty actually amazing, and it is very easy to use. And you can see, if we go to the resources as well, you can see that there are many other. The good thing about Helium 10 is it actually helps you gain these tickets as well, and you actually get different coupons and stuff like that on Amazon as well. So yeah, Helium 10 is amazing. Next, we have Jungle Scout. Now, Jungle Scout is also very famous, and it is one of the best keyword research tools out there for Amazon. And when we talk about Jungle Scout, it is especially for Amazon, so that's pretty impressive. And you can actually, it will help you get. It is kind of all in one platform, because it also helps you in finding, launching, and selling products on Amazon. And you can actually, use Jungle Scout to make data driven decisions and build your own successful business. You can actually get the tools you need to make managing your business easy, so you can focus on growing. And Jungle Scout all in one platform empowers sellers with best in features. So it has very cool features. If we go to the pricing of a Jungle Scout, then we will be able to, compare it to others and figure out that whether Jungle Scout has a reasonable pricing or not. So this is the pricing for Jungle Scout. The basic plan is $29 per month, suite plan is $49 per month, and then professional plan is $84 per month. So if we compare it to Helium 10, I think it is a little cheaper than Helium 10 when it comes to AMZ. So it is expensive than Amz Scout, and it is cheaper than Helium 10. So it's in the mid. And when we talk about the features as well, it is actually better than Amz Scout and a little, less than Helium 10 as we talk about the features as well. But the pricing looks good. You actually get a lot of cool features. Single user license, it actually gives you the license. That's pretty good. And when we talk about the $84 per month plan, then you actually can get 6 user included, 2 year of historical keyword data priority onboarding. So that's pretty amazing. The pricing is actually cool. If we go to resources, then we will be able to know that what are the resources for Jungle Scout. So you can see right here, the good thing about Jungle Scout is it's all in one platform. That means that you can actually, find the products on Jungle Scout. You will find the keywords on Jungle Scout. It will not only help you just do the keyword research, it will also help you to run your business. It gives you the stats, it monitors your progress, and you can actually, build products on Jungle Scout as well. So it's pretty amazing in this matter. That's why I think Jungle Scout is one of the best platforms out there to do keyword research for Amazon. Next, we have Amz Owl. Amz Owl is also another very famous and amazing platform to do keyword research for Amazon. So when we talk about the Amazon products and when we talk about the keyword research for Amazon, that means that we look for different products and different keywords that people are searching for, and that helps us to increase the SEO of our store. That helps us gain audience, and that's what all of these platforms actually provide you. So when we talk about amazing, as it's telling by the name, so when we go to the pricing of Amz Owl, let's check out. You can see right here the free plan, starter plan. That's a good thing about Amz Owl. It's actually gives you a free plan as well. The platforms that I talked about, Jungle Scout and Helium 10 and Amz Scout, they did not have any free plan. So that's pretty good thing about Amz Owl, that you can actually, go ahead and try the free plan now. So that's pretty amazing. But when it comes to the paid plans, it's $12.99 per month and $19 per month. So let's go to the Amz Scout. I am forgetting the pricing for Amz Scout. Okay, so it's 16, right? And when we go to Amz Owl, it's 12. So yeah, Amz Owl is actually the cheapest option out there when we talk about the Amazon research tool, because as we just saw, Helium 10 is expensive, then there is Jungle Scout, then there is Amz Scout, and then there is Amz Owl, because it's pretty cheaper than the others, and you get a lot of options in Amz Owl as well. So when when we talk about the features, we can actually, you can go ahead and find promising product ideas quickly just by scrolling to Amazon. Amaze outstops high potential products and explains the opportunity to you in plain English. Access million more products ideas via our Amazon product database. So the database for Amaze Owl is pretty good as well, and you can actually go ahead and get the accurate data you need to understand your market, differentiate your product, and crash it on Amazon. Products are ranked with a 5-star system to show you the ease of entry, demand, and potential. So that's a good thing about Amazon, that it has this star rating for you to, you get an idea that okay, this is good. It has 5-star rating, it has 4-star rating. If you like this kind of reviews, then it's amazing for you. And then you can see that it's pretty amazing and very easy to use. If we talk about Amazon, beginners friendly, as it also offers a free plan as well. So yeah, when it comes to finding a good FBA Amazon research tool, then you should go ahead and check all of these out. These all tools are pretty amazing, and you can just, avail any of this, and then you will be able to produce very famous products, and you will be able to sell your products on Amazon. And this brings us to the end of the video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.